So hey guys, if you want to install Windows on your PC, you will need a bootable pen drive, and today we are going to see how you can make a bootable pen drive in very few steps easily. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight to the video. So first of all, use your browser and search here download ISO file for Windows 10 or 11, whichever you need as per your system requirements. Download the file with using the first link. As you can see, you will also get this link in description. Download this file. I have already downloaded, and you will also need this another software which is Rufus. Search for Rufus download for Windows 11 or 10, whichever operating system you are using, and you will also get another link to download Rufus in the description of this video. So you will get this kind of interface, and just click on the first link because it will be the latest version. I've already downloaded it, but please make sure this software will download on your PC, not on your like pen drive. Here you will download there, and you will download it on your download folder at your PC's storage device, not on the pen drive, which we will make bootable. So make sure that, and after that you will just open this setup, and you will get like pop-up getting few things ready. It will take some few minutes, and after that you will get a terms and condition paragraph, which generally people skips if you want to read it, but there is no option to reject it and install it, so we have to accept it. Just wait for a while. By the way, you need at least 8 GB of free space for your pen drive to install Windows on it, and it must be formatted. Here we go. So we have another option to create a use USB bootable pen drive, so use this option, the second one, and click on next. After that you will get an option select language, architecture and edition. So you just have to click on use recommended options for this PC, because if you don't get this option, just go on your PC's properties like this, and you will get a notice your architecture system. This is 64-bit. If you don't know about this, and if you already know, you know how to select it. So just click on recommended option, and after that you have to use this option ISO file and download this on your PC in any clean location. And just remember this location because this will help us later. So I'm just saving it on a new drive. This will take a lot of time, but I am just a musician, so I will make it fast forward. Yep. So as you can see, it's racing very fast, and just a couple of minutes. Yeah. So after that you just have to click on finish, and don't click on any another option, and don't do anything. So after that you just have to go on again this PC and just open this Rufus software which we have installed. So I'm just opening this Rufus, and after that it will automatically detect your bootable device. If it doesn't, please make sure to select it and select the location of your ISO file as I'm doing. So I will just click on Windows. Yeah, so don't bother any kind of option in this, because this will make another feature. So just click on OK after that, and just this will start, and it will take few minutes, and just click on finish once it will finish. And so you just need a couple of minutes after that, and you will get a bootable device of your own, and with that you can install in any PC Windows 11 or 10, whichever you need. So if you like anything about this video, do hit the like button, and please subscribe to Incremental Nova for more such videos, and let me guys see you in the next one.